Hi, I'm Suma. My name is Suma Mohan, and I'm into artworks. I do Indian artworks, texture art, basically all forms of arts inspire me. Um, and yeah, that's all about me. My favorite thing about Sunday afternoons with We Love Art is I basically like the ladies here, the group, the gang. It's lovely to be with, and each one of them has got some or the other input, which teaches me a new thing every time. Like maybe the depth of the painting or their perception. Every time when I meet them, every Sunday afternoon teaches me something new, something inspiring, and every painting has got a story of its own. So that's something that makes me coming here again and again. And the group is lovely. During the course, we go through different kinds of medium, and that's the special thing here. You get to try so much. The every day or every Sunday afternoon is like a new book to open and read to. You get to experience different styles, and if you ask me that which of the eye is favorite of yours, you just can't say. Same goes for me. I just can't choose a medium. I love all. I love experimenting with all the mediums, basically. In 5 years' time, I would appreciate if I am known as an artist. So that's my foresight about myself. I would love to be recognized as a good artist, so that people know me, people know my work, and I am being recognized by my work. Yeah, that's where I see myself in 5 years. Yes, on personal front, of course. On personal front only, I came into art business basically. I just love the way it helped me to heal from my difficult times. I had certain difficult times which I went through, and I really needed some factor in my life that pushes you from that difficult part to a very good easy mood part, and it was quite healing for me. So yeah, that's how I came into art. So yes, art has helped me in a lot of ways. My heart is where my art is, so that's my motto basically. So that's how it inspires me in life. Yeah, though the theme is dream, for me, every day you dream something or the other. So, and when you go with the art, it helps you a lot. Every painting or every canvas that you take in, you can fill in the colors, you can fill in your perception, your thought process, and yeah, you can come up with something nice and fulfill your dreams through art. So yeah, that makes sense. Um, Actually, I had coffee with one of the famous artists. She's supposed to be my friend also. Her name is Adira Sajid, and she's a very renowned artist in India. And yeah, her artworks are fabulous, fabulous. And yeah, she's the one who actually asked me to start something up with art. So yeah, she's the one who initiated that fire. Yeah, yeah, she said that helps a lot, so you should try that. Yeah, and it did help me in my difficult times, and then I find it's quite nice to come up with artworks like this. Yeah, one thing that I learned here, uh, what Denise and Shadi, they are such lovely ladies. They have inspired me a lot, and they have taught me a basic thing that now I implicate it in my own life also. The first thing that they told me that you shouldn't. When I came earlier here, I used to get panicked with when something goes wrong with my artwork. So they taught me that there's nothing that couldn't be fixed. Everything could be fixed. So you don't need to panic, and that's something that I imply in my life also nowadays, and that makes life quite easy. You don't need to panic. Everything could be fixed, so you can go in a very easy peasy way. If something is off, just think over it and just do your bit. Everything is going to be fine.